in this dialogue. Unfortunately, the private sector has become an active, if not equal player. This untenable situation has necessitated the government's re-engineering of the strategies, mechanisms and tools for fighting corruption. Through a firm leadership resolve, the government has refused to bury its head in the sand. We have confronted and re-energized our efforts towards full and effective implementation of our anti-corruption arsenal. This is the problem that we have. And sometimes we want to face the facts. And I think the people to blame in corruption institutions are agile professionals, because they don't do a lot of due diligence. You hire people, the following day they are corrupt. Where were you? Why did you test to check for those psychometric, those aptitude, those? Why don't you deploy some, I don't know, those lie what? There was something that was being used. What is it called? Lie detector. You are the gatekeeper of all the institutions, either government or private sector. So kutoka leo, you need to know that you are responsible for ensuring that there is no corrupt people being hired into the institution. Let's demand that each and every profession or every person that works in a particular professional area have to be a member of that profession. So that the institute like this one will enforce the code of conduct, will ensure that person becomes, if that person practices